Hey everybody, it's Dr. Mac. I am at Heaven's Gate Lookout, and if you're in my Violent Earth class, this is an in-use Osborne Fire Finder. And what you'll see here, as you kind of look from above, is the tower, Heaven's Gate Lookout, is going to be in the center. And as you turn this is the line of sight, and it's always centered on the tower. What you're going to do then is we're going to say that we've got a fire off to the southwest somewhere. And we're going to look through this brass sight, and you can kind of see it's got some elevation markings in there. Don't know much about that.
We don't use it anymore.
Don't use that. Line it up along the metal bar to this very fine wire at the other end, which isn't even wire, just was informed that that's actually horsehair. And if you might remember, we were talking about townships and ranges and sections. And when you look here, let's say you get to a peak, they will call it in and get to township and range and quarter section and call it in that way, so that you can helicopter in a fire crew or a bucket of water or something like that and get it close enough for the firefighters to get there efficiently. Last update on the Osborne Fire Finder, just found out a few minutes ago, happened in about 1934. And this is not one of the most recent ones. It actually has a cast iron base. Nice and heavy. We don't want this thing moving around and rattling. Hey everybody, we are at the top of a mountain about 8,500 feet up above sea level. That means it's going to be pretty exposed to lightning strikes. This fire tower has 5 different lightning rods on it, and it's much smaller than any house. And because of that, the chairs and the beds are embedded on power line insulators, those glass insulators that you see at the bottom of this stool here, just so the people don't get electrocuted while they're up doing their job looking for fires. Back to the main item here. So there's an Osborne firefighter for you. In action, still today. Yes, we've got GPS and satellites and everything. We still use this. How's that for cool stuff? All right, thanks.